Annyeonghaseyo, Angela here, and today I had to pause watching my whole Netflix marathon because I finished watching Itaewon Class. It's this K-drama and top 5 K-dramas I've ever watched. I highly suggest it. A slice of life drama. It really revolves around this protagonist, and you really just watch him grow. The moral of the drama is basically staying true to who you are, staying true to your values, being honest, hardworking will allow you to succeed in life. And I really like the show, and I was really inspired. You know, when I go to Korean restaurants, I get this dish all the time, but specifically in this show, they just made it look so good. Sundubu jjigae. So I went to H Mart the other day, okay, and I had to get all the ingredients to make sundubu jjigae, including this earthware pot. Hold on. Like, I had to get like super authentic. I bought this, and basically like every time you go to a Korean restaurant, they serve it in this, either your bibimbap or your steamed egg, or in this case your jjigae. So we're gonna be making sundubu jjigae in this. This was relatively affordable. I think this was like $13, $14. If you don't have a Korean market by you, you could actually buy these on Amazon. I'll link a couple down below. So let's get it. Let's go. Let's make some sundubu jjigae, shall we? Fighting!
원하는 대로 작아질 거야. 그게 바로 내 꿈일 테니까.
So there are a couple of things you're going to need. Like, you have to have these ingredients for your sundubu jjigae. Other than that, you could really add whatever you want to your jjigae. There's all sorts of different types of sundubu jjigae. There's all sorts of different types of jjigae out there, but these are the staples for sundubu jjigae. One, kimchi, and we're going to be using the juice of this kimchi as well. Another one is Korean red pepper flakes. And then for the base of the stew, you can use water, that's fine, but you're not going to get a really good flavor out of water. Basically, you're going to want to make a dashi, which is usually out of fish, dried fish, and you boil it and whatever. There's plenty of recipes on how to make your own dashi. I'll link it down below if you're interested. What I find best is in the Asian market, you could find like kind of like cheesecloth, and they're like little pouches. They're cheesecloth pouches of different, you know, ingredients, and you boil them down and you have your own broth dashi for any type of jjigae you're gonna make. Some of these just have the anchovies, some of them have kelp and anchovies. This one's my particular favorite. It has mushrooms, onions, kelp, green onions, anchovies, and all sorts of yummy things. And then from there you can add whatever you want. Here are the things that I'm putting in my jjigae. It's just so comforting. Oh my God, I have no words. It's super delicious. You could put what I like about this is that you could put whatever you want in your jjigae. Don't forget to subscribe and like to this video if you are obsessed with K-dramas like me and Korean food as well, or well, just me. I'll catch you guys to the next video. Take care. Bye. And I'm gonna eat more of this jjigae. Oh.